Hey, if you are spending money in order to create your YouTube channel, you are causing a disservice to yourself. And do me a favor, just stop because I want you to watch this video and I'm going to give you the more scalable, valuable way in order to grow your YouTube channel and avoid buying subscriptions. Now, the key thing is that if you're starting off on YouTube, and everybody that's been on YouTube or is currently on YouTube with a channel has always started this way. You learn, you consume, you watch, and that's the beautiful thing about this platform. There's so much scalable, free, valuable content from people that have been around the block. So all you technically need is a notebook and a pen. Now, there's a lot of people that are out there that are reputable that are telling you that, listen, in order to really enhance your view count and get to monetization, you need to buy this AI tool in regards to a subscription. And you might need to buy this course. Oh, but there's also that AI tool that you might need additional to the first one. I want you to understand one key thing. Let's get to the tools for a second. There's amazing tools out there. There's amazing AI tools, but each one of them could be between $15 to $25 a month at minimum for a subscription. Now, that tool, you might utilize it maybe a handful of times. But keep in mind, if you don't stop that subscription, you're talking about really over $500 worth of expenses annually. No, but you might say, well, I can write it off. You're not a business yet. That's the one thing I want you to understand. That's where people make a mistake. You're not a business yet because you have not brought in any kind of income. So you are basically spending more money than making money. Now, should that discourage you from creating a YouTube channel? Absolutely not. Why? Because each one of these tools, or the majority of them, have a free version of it. First of all, you should be treating YouTube as a side gig, a hobby. And like I always say, like, listen, when I first created my scavenger hunt 25 years ago, it was a hobby until it eventually became a business, truthfully, a few years after the fact. That's how you should create your YouTube channel, with that thought in mind, as a hobby. The key thing is utilize the free tools that the AI tools are providing you. So there's a wide variety of really cool generative AI tools such as Veed, and there's another one called it's HAILOU, and then there's Audiogram. There's a lot of great things out there. Canva has a free version. I mean, there's a wide variety of tools that you have right there. If you want to utilize royalty-free music onto YouTube, there's plenty of websites out there that offer that. It's all free. It's all scalable. It's all value-based. And that way, you're not burning a hole through your wallet. So that's what you want to do. Yes, it might sound daunting on the 1,000 subscribers. And yes, it might sound daunting on the 4,000 hours of view time. The key thing is that is attainable if you stay consistent. And if you want to really break it down, is just create a nice YouTube channel, nice banner, stay within your niche, nice little profile photograph, describe your channel in detail, provide detailed keywords that complement the description and the title, put a video up once a week, study your analytics in regards to your YouTube studio as to when people are watching your videos, do batch videos. If you don't know what batch videos are, is when people have a sit down in front of their camera and create a bunch of videos and schedule them, because a lot of people don't know that they can actually schedule videos each and every week based on when YouTube is telling you when your subscribers are watching. Also keep in mind that the majority of the people, like I mentioned in past videos, are non-subscribers. So your base is a lot wider. It used to be all just subscribers that are watching your stuff. It's actually a lot more than you think. But do not spend money in regards to buying all these tools. If and when that time comes that you start making money on YouTube, fantastic. Then you might want to kind of think, maybe I should get a business tax ID number. But until you get to that particular point, when you do, then you can write off all these tools. And if you really are using those tools, or you need to get that upgraded value, yes, then you can write it off. Just like you can write off your internet connection, just like you can write off your computer, so on and so forth. But just do yourself a favor. Utilize the YouTube channel for the free value that it is providing you at scalable views of achieving what you're trying to achieve. And again, just try all the free trial versions of those AI tools and you'll be a-okay. Thanks so much, guys. And as always, subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the next box for the next tip I'm going to provide you. I'll see you soon.